fill the numbers in these squares in such a way that wherever you add, the sum should be same. Let us take one example. Let us say that let us fill numbers from 21 to 29 and use all the numbers and don't repeat any number. Fill these numbers in such a way that wherever you add, that is in the rows or in the columns or in the diagonals, it should have the same sum. And to do this, there are several ways. One simple way is this. To do the magic square in the simple way using Vedic mathematics, I make use of a sutra called Paravartya Yojyet, that is transpose and apply. And to do this magic square, just you need to know how to move your hand like this, that is diagonally upward, that is northeast direction. And to start the Vedic mathematics method of doing this magic square, the first thing is write the first number in the top middle square, that is 21 here in the top middle square. Then you move your hand like this. So 22 comes up. The moment it comes up, transpose it in the same column but down, that is 22 comes down. Again move your hand in the same way and write the next number, that is 23, and 23 is in the right side, so transpose it to your left, that is 23 comes here. And to move in the same way, 24, I cannot write 24 because 21 blocks my way, so write 24 down and then move your hand in the same way, so 25 comes here. Again move your hand in the same way, so 26 comes here. And remember, when the number comes in the corner, then write it down, that is 27, I write it down. Again I move my hand in the same way, so I get 28, and 28 is towards my right, so I bring it to my left. And again for 29, move your hand in the same way and bring this 29 down. That's all. And because you got 25 in the middle square, 3 times to 25, that is 75. So wherever you add, you get 75. So that's all. It is the easiest way. That is, I used a Vedic mathematics sutra, that is Paravartya Yojyet, that is transpose and apply. Same way we will do one more example. This time let us say that I have to fill numbers from 2 to 18, only even numbers. So now let us see how to do it. Let us start doing it together. Now write the first number, that is 2, in the top middle square. Then I move my hand like this, so 4 comes here and 4 I bring it down. Again next number 6, I move my hand towards diagonally upward, that is 6. Again I bring this 6 towards my left, and 8 I cannot write because the way is blocked, so 8 I write it down. And again I move my hand like this is 10, and again I move my hand like this is 12. And to write 14, I have to write it down because if 12 is in the corner. Again I move my hand like this, that is I got 16, and I move it towards my left. And again I move in the same way and I got 18, and 18 I bring it down. That's all. So because 10 is in the middle square, that is the sum, wherever you add it, you get 30 as the sum, that is in the row or in the column or in the diagonal. In the same way, you can construct any magic square you wanted. It is easy. So now later we will learn how to do the